Slime. I know it was a thing, big trend like 4 years ago, but I still love slime. I've only ever ordered one like fancy slime, and it was like 2 years ago and I lost it. But today we have 4 slimes. I ordered all of these from, what did I order these from? It was an Etsy shop. Raspberry Slime Co. Instagram Raspberry Slime Co. They gave me a little thing of candy, which I always think is so cute. So I don't really get what activator is, but I have this little thingy. So I guess if we have issues, we'll just try a couple drops of this and see what happens. So I ordered 4 slimes. I ordered a strawberry, a watermelon, the honey one, because I really wanted to try the stick. And then I put in a mystery slime. So I don't know what that one is. I can see that this is probably the strawberry and the watermelon. So let's get started with these. Okay, so we have strawberries, so cute. These are all the little strawberry pieces that go in. Very cute. Watermelon. Watermelon icy. I've never ever gotten to try a slime with like little add-ins before, so I kind of want to try that one first. Yes, I'm an adult, but I just love like sensory things. I'm always playing with my hands. Let's try strawberries. Oh, interesting. It's got, smells like, it smells lip gloss when I was a little kid, like that strawberry lip gloss smell, where it's not quite strawberries, but it's like, you know, that like something you'd get from Claire's. It's got like these little, that looks disgusting there, but there we go. Well, it still kind of looks gross. Little marshmallow things in it. Ooh. Maybe I should just make this an ASMR channel. We'll start whispering. Okay, let's take it out. Ooh. Alright. We might need some of that activator. How do I get this open? Does it smell weird? What is it? Is it toxic? So let's make like a hole. This was weird. Now let's like start playing with it, I guess. Ugh. I don't know why this makes me laugh so much. It just reminds. Ugh. I can't. I can't help but like gag at it. I really wanted to stop doing this. Come on, get yourself together. I totally lost. I got it all pretty off this hand. Come on, if you're aggressive with it. Stop sticking to me. It smells good. There we go. Look at. Ooh. Don't stick to me. I don't like feeling dirty. I like squishing things that don't stick to me. Is that too much to ask? Get off me. This is, I know there's like. Let's put the add-ins in. Let's add. We'll stick it in there. Focus on the strawberries. Is this peaceful? Go in your home. Watermelon. Watermelon icy. Ooh, strong smell upon opening. Watermelons on top. Ooh. Ooh, I can tell I'm gonna like this one. Ooh, that's satisfying. Ooh, yeah. I like this one a lot. It's nice. Does not smell like watermelon. What does it smell like? Maybe it's like a watermelon flavoring smell, but not like anything like actual watermelon. There's something sour about it. It's raspberry. Moving on to here. My mystery and my honey one. And the stick and my mystery slime, which is pina colada. That's a good choice. I like pina colada. honey one first. It smells like lemon. So I hope this one doesn't fight me. Ooh. It doesn't smell like honey though. But it's definitely lemon. I don't know. Yeah, this one seems like it's a little over, like it's like breaking. If you were just buying these for Instagram pictures. There it is. That's your picture. If you're just an influencer, or you could just... Pina colada. That's a strong coconut scent. It's got some like sprinkles on top. That's kind of like coconut, I guess. This one's very moist, but I like the texture of this one again. Oh, okay. Oops. All right, yeah. Like you're making a pizza. And then I see people who like, and then they go like, it's a little piece of like little slices of pineapple. It's nice. All right. I think I'm just gonna play with these on my own now. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing, because my only goal on YouTube is to make it to 1,000 subscribers. And right now we're at almost 300, which means we're 30% of the way there, which means we only need 700 more. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would appreciate it. Bye.